welcome back to the new episode of our weekly series Market Buzz. So let's start with Index Nifty. So in previous video we explained how Nifty is failing to hold its structure, and then we could witness a drop of approx 700 points from the week high. Now if you look at the chart, RSI is gradually moving towards the north direction after hitting the oversold zone. Index has breached the gap resistance and closed above it. After a breach of resistance, we expect index to carry its momentum and move towards 11,200-250 levels. To further carry its bullish momentum, index needs to breach the resistance of 20 EMA and close above it. If index fails to breach 11,200-250 levels, then index may move back towards 10,800 level. Moving on towards the next index, that is Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty closed in green zone after 6 consecutive sessions of red closing. Index is trading near to the resistance level. Hammer candlestick pattern could be witnessed on chart, which is a reversal pattern. RSI is gradually moving towards the north direction after hitting the oversold zone. Index above 21,000 level will continue to move towards 21,500, 21,600 levels. Let's move on towards the next segment, that is interesting observation, where we are going to talk about Nifty IT index. This is the only index which has outperformed other indices. On daily scale, index is trading inside the rising channel. It is forming higher high, higher low formation. It continued to hold the support of 20 EMA and trading along with it. RSI bounced from the support level and moving towards the north direction, indicating good strength in index. We expect index to carry its bullish momentum and move towards 20,200-300 levels. Let's move on towards the final segment, that is stocks. So the first stock which we are going to talk about it is Coforge. On daily scale, stock is forming higher high, higher low formation. It is holding its main structure. Stock has successfully held the support zone and bounced from the same. Rise of volume on bullish candle indicating accumulation of stock. Stock continued to hold the support of 20 EMA and trading above it. So the stock above 2,315 level will continue to move towards the north direction and move towards 2,760 levels. Moving on towards the next stock, that is Adani Ports. On daily scale, stock continued to trade inside range. Stock has held the range support and bounced from the same. RSI is moving towards the north direction after hitting the support level. Rise of volume could be witnessed in stock near to the range support. We expect stock to continue with this bullish momentum and move towards 370 levels. So that's all for this episode. Hope you all have a profitable week ahead. Thank you.